everybody, this is Uptown Station. Was to be the Uber building until they changed their mind, but as you can see, it's speeding toward completion. For all practical purposes, it looks like it's complete. Really, when they take the boards down, they will know. But that central area, this used to be the Sears building. That central area is going to be a new kind of atrium, and the BART Plaza is supposed to be below. Hopefully that's still part of the plan. But there it is. As of today, Sunday, October 14th. As you can see, this is, if you don't know Oakland, this is Broadway right here. And this is Thomas Berkeley and 20th. Well, really turns to 20th. We call it both Thomas Berkeley and 20th, and you can see right there, folks, okay? So that's it. Speeding toward completion, I would think by next year.